Hi, friends! I'm so happy to see you today! Look here. Today we become safety superheroes. Together with Sister Monkey, Brother Rabbit, and Super Caveman, ready? Group hug!
Yeah!
Oh, Sister Monkey is going super fast on her bike.
Whee! This is so much fun!
Wow, you're the fastest.
I know! Zoom, zoom!
Hey, where's your helmet?
But wait a second. Where's your helmet?
Oh no, we need to get you one right away.
You're right, Max. Safety first. Hey, Brother Max, the ball is great.
Oh, but not in the middle of the street. Without a helmet, falls hurt your head. Let's put it on right away.
Okay, Max.
There, all safe now.
Yay, thank you.
Cars can't see you. Better to play in the park, right?
Right, the park is way safer.
High five!
High five! Look over there! Super Caveman fell down! I'm coming! Hold on! Are you okay? Let me help.
Oof, my arm hurts. This'll make it better. Don't move, we're coming to help you.
You can do it, Max Bear! You're so brave, Super Caveman!
Thank you, friends. Let's put on a magic Band-Aid. That way you heal faster.
I'm ready!
There! Now pedal safely, Sister Monkey. Remember, the helmet keeps you safe.
I will! Thanks, Max!
You're welcome. Good! High five for playing in safe places. Now, let's go to the toy park.
Yay! The toy park! Hooray for safe play!
There! You're already better, right, Super Caveman?
Yes, I feel much better. Thanks, Super Caveman.
Even the strongest superheroes ask for help. It's totally normal. Everyone remember together, helmet always when riding a bike. Helmet always when riding a bike. And the ball? Only in the park or the garden.
Yes, let's hop together.
Great idea! Here we go! And if you see a friend in trouble, run to help them! This way we become a super strong and safe team! Hooray! We've earned the safety star! Good, great job! You've been careful and kind. A huge hug to all my friends!
Promise me? Always play safe, promise?
I promise. Max loves you so much! See you at the next adventure! And now, let's slowly go back to our magic garage.